and welcome back to another segment of my channel. So today, well, I should say this morning, I am in active home trade. So I'm here to find a ceiling fan for Oliver, but I cannot go unnoticeable about these tiles. Look at the one behind me. It's a mosaic, and because I'm about to start construction, I'm wondering what aspect of my house can I put this in. But you know, I'll find some way to put it. Anyway, these other ones I could put for the floor in, but I mean, as I stepped in here, let me show you. As I stepped in here, I was wowed. See, I was really wowed. But anyways, as I said, I come in here to find ceiling fans. So let's just go look at ceiling fans. But wow, I'm seeing a lot more mosaic, people. A lot more mosaics. Look, you can use for kitchen. Look, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so that's not mosaic anymore. But look at these ones. Beautiful. Look at that one. Those are nice. Yes, so as I said, I'm here in active and I love how the receptionist area is set up. I'm gonna show you. That's how the reception area is set up, like in the middle of the store. So I believe that is where nobody will get left behind, and which is a good thing. It's really a good thing. Still walking around trying to find the ceiling fans. I don't see any assistants on the floor yet, but I'm still looking. Oh, I love this type of fridge. Check out the refrigerator, yeah. Still looking for ceiling fans. Still looking. Alright, so the receptionist area is there again, you see? We're gonna wear, you know. Good morning, sir. Do you mind telling me where I can find the ceiling fans, if you have any?
Upstairs and this fan up here, so you can take the elevator and the stairs and you reach over on this, and it's a different variety
Okay.
with the lights in it or whatever, and it's on this fan over.
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, so we said it's upstairs. Look at the face basins. Yes. See, it's modern time now. And we need it. Look there. Look at the face basin, guys. She's beautiful. Look there. Sorry, but me no want no form of old basin in my bathroom. Look at all the tub. Watch the tub. Man. Alright, so we're going upstairs now. Right upstairs. Almost there. Alright. So we are indeed upstairs. Whew. Where did the man say ceiling fans are again? Alright guys, so let me give you a look of downstairs. That's downstairs. In the middle. Oh god, I'll take off the mask. In the middle of the receptionist area. Upstairs. You see the building? It's just well architectural put together. I love it. Whew. Alright, so ceiling fans. Guys, they even have an elevator in the store. See? I like it. Can you imagine I live right down the road from Active and I've never been in here before? My first time? Jeez. I mean, I guess I need to get out of my house and explore somewhere. And not just an advice from me, but for all of you. sometimes when you're at home and you're not okay with what you're having at home, but when you go out there, you might see some things that are inexpensive, you know, and it will add value to your home. Not even just add value, but beauty. And so, like when I just come out here and I see all these things, man, I feel like I want to like go to different stores and see what they have, get more ideas of what I need to decorate my home when I finish constructing it. I love the fans. These are some fans that they have. Beautiful fans. Oliver asked me to look in some fans, so I'm looking at the ceiling fans, and they're well, probably not all of them beautiful, because I'm not an hypocrite, but most of them are very, very beautiful. Oliver says he doesn't want a fan that has so much fandangos on it. He doesn't want so much fandangos on the fan. So I guess he has a lot here to choose from. Yes, he has a lot. He has a lot. He has a whole lot to choose from. He has a whole lot to choose from. I hope that I was able to get him something. But guys, another thing. Look at this mirror. Look at this mirror. The mirror tells the time. The mirror tells the time. So who would ever thought that nowadays, from people from back in the days, yeah? No. Who would have thought that they would have mirrors where you can actually read time while getting ready or looking at yourself, or you know, these are some things that I said. If you come out of your house and just walk into store, because it's not a cost to look. And once you look and you see some things that are very, very beautiful, bring enhancement to the look of your home, it's worth it. I'm happy that I came into Active. Thank you, Ollie Mac, for sending me out. When I come in Active, come see some nice things, and yeah, may I come back in here because I need some things. It's 21st century. House needs to be decorated in a way where it looks like a first class Airbnb. Well, guys, I'm gonna take my leave. I'm gonna leave you very shortly, but I just want to look some more. Man, look at these lights and door handles. Anyways, I'm gonna take some pictures for Ollie Mac, and then I come back to you. All right. Okay, guys. So I'm about to leave the store. I'm going outside, back in the hot sun. In the hot sun. And then on my way to the Ministry of Education. My God, people, so hot. Sun at. Yep. Whew. Sun at, man. Alright. Why? Alright, so like I was saying, I'm on my way to the Minister of Education now. And then from there, I go back home. And then from there, Jesus Christ, I'll cook some food. Well, I have a friend coming over to cook dinner for me and the kids. And after that, God, what am I doing with them? I have class. Yes. So today, I'll be learning how to teach language in the Jamaican classroom. We are learning how to use the Jamaican language, which is patois, as we call it. Some people, hey, you know, say patois complex. It's a complex language to learn, you know. Patois is very complex because you have some people spell wa with double A, and some people spell it with double A-H, and some people just spell it double A-A. I don't know if not that they're spelling out there. But gal, people spell gal with G-Y-A-L, and some spell it with G-A-L. Gala. That's gal, you know, that's not gal, that's gala. Jesus. Anyways, my language class is an interesting class. Very, very interested. So, on my way to the ministry, guys. Later.